So here's your Woolworths store in Otley, store 754, 34 to 40 Kirkgate, Otley, West Yorkshire, LS21, 3HL. It was opened in 1939 and it was a purpose-built store with stone art deco facade. They traded here for 70 years, and here are some stories from former store colleagues. Tracy Clifford shares her memories. Otley was my first store management appointment, loved it. Great team. Suzanne, Jackie, Joyce and Muriel all helped me run a fab shop. Emma Dale was sometimes filmed out back. Tricia Penrose, Heartbeat, was a local. I even tried to get her singles stocked. I was there at the Millennium myself, and a Saturday girl, Gemma, went in to do the checks on New Year's Day 2000 in case everything crashed. A lot of happy memories. Julia Marie Kalaka adds, I was manager there after Chris, took the store through the 5 out of 5 refit and had Woolley and Worth at the store opening. We had a fab team, but during the summer it was so hot. Emma Beard took over from me when I was expecting my second child. I moved her to an AM position at the Bradford store. I can remember chasing after a shoplifter when I was 6 months pregnant with my first. He dumped the stuff, so I got it all back. Emma Beard tells us, Otley was mine for the last 9 months with a great team, great managers. Brenda McTeer worked right to the end. Great little village. Otley Woolworths closed in December 2008. The Yorkshire Trading Company moved into the old unit. And as we can see, it's still here now. So let's have a look inside. There we go. We've got the white fittings. Ow. Hard to get in. They've got the shelves still. Fantastic. A men's aisle. Oh, toys as well. Right. Let's go see the back. Yeah. Interesting. There we go. Fantastic. I don't know what store number it is, but the poles. Yep. Got the Woolworths poles. Fantastic.